Hi, my name is Dinus Mickle, and I've decided to make a video for you on how to add cascading style sheet styled HTML code to comments, posts, and pages in WordPress. Now this is an advanced tutorial. I'm not going to zoom in. I'm not going to show you exactly what I'm writing. I'm not going to show you the exact code. If you need help with that, you can get in touch or look for additional resources online. I'm going to move quickly, and I'll tell you a little bit about why I've needed to do this. But basically, WordPress kind of doesn't let you do what you want to do sometimes. I mean, you want to code things, you want to get HTML into comments, you want to get HTML into posts, and it looks like I have found now my fan is turning on, but it looks like I found a way to do it. So I'll give you a little bit of backstory. What happened was that I had a YouTube video that was removed by YouTube. And it's just really awful. I mean, I'm going to show, look what it says. This video has been removed as a violation of YouTube's policy against spam, scams, and commercially deceptive content. Oh my God. On a heartfelt website that I've spent 8 years on. The video is called "Is Tinnitus Curable?" And so, you know, it's like referenced in I think 40 or more, maybe even 70 places on my website. All right, how am I going to get something into the website, and how am I gonna, put something in the comments? Because I recommend that people watch this video. Okay, so that's a little bit about the backstory. And so right here, what I'm actually showing you is I'm showing you my Cure Tinnitus show number 16, which is from February 1st, 2010, right? And I recommended that someone take a look at this video because it's about the curability and incurability debate. But if someone clicks on that link, it's going to say that this is, spam, scams, commercially deceptive content. If that's horrific, it's damaging, it's wrong, it's a misperception. So how am I going to get this in? All right, so I need to get a cascading style sheet styled HTML into comments, posts, and pages in WordPress. Well, how am I going to do that? So basically what I did is I searched on every instance of the YouTube URL or the video number, or whatever you want to call it, in the back end, in the WordPress database, in the MySQL database. And I found it, and so this is where I see it in the comments. So I found it. Now what was I going to do? Was I going to go and add a little something each time? You know what? No, I want to make something colorful. I want to make something that stands out. I want people to see it. So I designed a nice style in Dreamweaver. I designed 2 classes. I'll paste that code in for you. One I just called Editor's Warning, and the other one I called DWM Vidbox1. It doesn't really matter. But I created those styles, and they actually size nicely. So yeah, I said size nicely, and then I moved my hands. So you might want to copy them and use them, and feel free to do so. And if you do, just say thanks on one of my videos or somewhere. And let's see. Okay, this is just Photoshop. I was just needing to adjust the image size of the YouTube video within the comments, so I needed to know the proportions for a smaller YouTube video. And here I am in Dreamweaver, and there's my style. And what I'm going to do here, and I'm doing my best not to actually show this to you because if I zoom in too close into the database backend, I've definitely had hack attacks. Let me show myself. I've definitely had hack attacks, and let's do this. Make myself a little bigger. I've definitely had hack attacks and, haters, scammers, spammers, whatever they are, and they just hone in on a website and try to take it down. So I'm not going to zoom in on those areas, and I'm not really, so And I'm not going to take the time right now to, fuzz out portions of this video. This is supposed to be an advanced video. All right, so I wanted also to comment my HTML code so that, for example, let's say YouTube lifts the ban. I can search for all instances of, for example, begin, repeal, removal code, and just put in a thank you to YouTube and Google or something along those lines. But basically, I have HTML code that I commented with a begin and end comment, and I used the less than exclamation point hyphen code comment. The other one with like backtick or the slash is the one I tried, and it didn't work. Anyway, I copied that code. I found the comment in the MySQL database, and I just pasted my code in. I just pasted it right into the comment content field. Let's see, I'm in WP_comments in that table. And it works. So there it is. Nicely formatted, the sides, squish or whatever you want to call it, they're liquid. So there's a little bit bigger. This is it in a post. And this is the same style in a comment with a smaller video. So I think I'm done. Oh, something did come to mind that I didn't mention before. It's how I even got the cascading style sheet, how I got the styles to display in my theme. Well, I'm using a theme called Page Lines, and they have one called Platform Pro and one called Framework. I think that's what it's called. But it comes highly, highly recommended. You can click on the link below, and you can actually purchase Page Lines as a theme if you like. What I did is I went into the back end of my theme. In my theme, there's a custom code area, and I was able to paste my cascading style sheet style directly into the custom code area of the Page Lines framework backend, and that's why it's displaying that's why it's displaying in WordPress within my theme. One more small thing. Let me do this, and this. If I've given and you've enjoyed receiving, I recommend that you give back in some way. And a few of the ways that come to mind are purchasing a product of mine or one I recommend as an affiliate. So that's what I just did. I recommend Page Lines, and there's a link below. It's an affiliate link. You can promote products of mine for which you can earn a commission. You can hire me or recommend me to others. And if you do use the information that I've given you, you've got, for example, I pasted the cascading style sheet code below. You can have it, take it, use it, but just say thanks. And to round this off, as a little bit of an introduction or concluding introduction for the things that I do, is I help people with musicianship, and so I'm a teacher, a music teacher, and author. I help people with technical documentation and training needs, kind of like this one, except a lot of times I do it a little bit better. I do profitability consulting, and I run and manage websites for businesses, including organizations that have significant needs in legal protection and intellectual property protection, and in the maintenance of the upholding of the right to free speech online. So those are some of my specialties. My name again is Dinas Mikkel, and I've really enjoyed putting this tutorial together for you. I hope you were able to benefit from it. Take care. Bye-bye.